Hi there, students. A gala, a countable noun. I think you could also use it as an adjective, but I think that's much less common. Let's see, a gala is a special celebration, a special public event. Yeah, a gala is normally open to the public, or you can buy tickets for it. And there's lots of different entertainment. There are normally different types of performances. So, the cinema is having a gala night. Okay, they're going to have a party, they're going to be various stars there, they're going to have various different pieces of entertainment, they're going to show various short films. The theatre is going to have a gala night, a special public occasion. Or, for example, very often there is a gala associated with the premiere of a new film, and you have the celebrities coming to see it, and there are large crowds as well. Okay, but a gala is normally a social occasion, but with special entertainments, with special performances. Yeah, let's see, a gala, it's like a party, but this is something where it's there are special celebrations, and normally a gala is a public event. Yeah, public entertainment marking a special occasion. So the town hall is going to hold a gala to celebrate 500 years since the foundation of this town. Yeah, they're going to have stars and entertainment and various different events. Yeah, so let's see. I'm having a few friends round for drinks tomorrow night. That's not a gala. Yeah, it's just a party. A gala is something much bigger than this. A gala event. Yeah, I get this is something bigger. I think it's something open to the public. I think there are different activities. Important people are there. Somebody important probably opens your gala. Yeah, so it's a festive occasion, a gala to celebrate something. Notice in British English as well, a gala can be a special sports meeting, yeah, where they have various different competitions, for for people of different ages, particularly the phrase a swimming gala, yeah, where they have swimming races for different ages. Yeah, and maybe they offer free drinks as well or something to the spectators. Okay, so a gala, a sports competition, but particularly for swimming. Oh, by the way, there's also a type of apple called a Gala apple with a capital G. I think it was first found in New Zealand. But okay, so I guess the idea is it's something you eat at a special occasion where there is lots of public entertainment. Okay, a gala night. The school is having a gala night with all sorts of different shows, with people, and with a gala ball at the end. So they're having a dance. Yeah. Yeah, effectively it's a celebration. It's a very showy, very festive party. Yeah, it's really quite flash. I guess you could say that the rich live a gala lifestyle, the gala life of the very rich. So it's full of the best, the utmost pleasures. Yeah, but a gala occasion. Yeah. I'm going to make your birthday a gala affair. I'm going to invite everybody in the neighbourhood, and we're going to have actors and magicians and various different things. Okay, so it's a festival, a celebration, a festivity, yeah? A gala at the Royal Opera House. Yeah, I want to make your birthday into a gala because you're such a special person. Yeah, it's more than just a private party for a few friends. Yeah. Would a wedding qualify as a gala? Maybe if it was open to the public and there were special events, but probably not. So, formality, a gala. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, it comes from French, gala, which comes from Italian and Spanish, gala, 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 meaning a festive occasion. This comes from the word gallant. It's linked to the word gallant. Okay, maybe from Frankish, walla, meaning good or well. So, a gala, a huge, great big celebration with pomp and circumstance and show and festivities and activities and stars and things like that. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Gala.